A 1-minute overview of SMT. SMT covers processes, equipment, materials, and inspection. First, processes involve
stencil design and manufacturing, solder paste printing, component placement, and reflow soldering.
These technologies rely on efficient equipment like
printing machines, placement machines, and reflow ovens.
Materials are also crucial,
such as solder paste and flux.
Finally, don't forget inspections like automated optical inspection, X-ray inspection. Every step of SMT is interconnected, driving precise, modern electronics manufacturing.